Welcome to the Dr. Beasley's Clean Room, everybody. I am the Director of Success, Chris Racana, here to talk about tire conditioners. Yes, that was an S. That means plural. We're talking about both tire conditioner and matte tire conditioner. You know, it's really kind of funny thing about tire conditioner and matte tire conditioner. This product, I think, sells more because it's actually misunderstood. Many people think that matte tire conditioner is about getting a matte finish on your tires, which that is not necessarily true. While that is attainable with this product, a matte finish is also attainable with our matte tire conditioner. Let's look at what these two products have in common. First of all, they are available in several different sizes. Both matte tire conditioner and tire conditioner are available in 8-ounce tubes, 32-ounce bags, and 1-gallon containers for the professional as well. They are also formulated with UV inhibitors. So both matte tire conditioner and tire conditioner are both going to protect your tires from UV radiation. They also both feature an ultra thick formulation. Now this helps in two ways. Number one, that thickness, that gel-like viscosity is going to help keep it on the tire and limit tire sling. That thickness is also going to give us the ability to essentially customize the finish. So if you like a more gloss finish on your tires, great. Simply take your matte tire conditioner or your tire conditioner, layer it on your applicator, and then lay it on your tire and walk away, and that's going to give you a more glossed finished tire, no matter if you are using matte tire conditioner or the standard tire conditioner. If you want a more satin or matte finish on your tire, well, whether it's the matte product or the standard tire conditioner, all we have to do is, after you apply it, come back with a towel or an old rag and just give it a once over real quick, and that's gonna knock down that sheen level. So again, you want a high gloss finish on your tires, take either product, apply it, and walk away. You want a lower level sheen on your tires, take either product, apply it, and then come back with an old towel and go over it for a second time just to kind of knock down the level of sheen. What is the difference between these two products? Matte tire conditioner is formulated without silicone. And the reason this is crucial is because if you have a matte painted vehicle or a matte wrapped vehicle, or you have matte PPF, the reason that finish is matte is because it diffuses light. The matte paint, the matte PPF, the matte film, those are textured, those are peaks and valleys, which are gonna diffuse the light, which gives it that matte appearance. Now, if we get tire sling, that silicone is gonna embed itself into your matte paint, into your matte PPF, into your matte vinyl wrap, and make it glossy, because it's gonna turn textured into smooth, because silicone is a filler. If you have matte PPF, if you have matte wrap, or you have matte paint, you need matte tire conditioner, so that way it serves as a safety net if you are a little heavy-handed with your tire dressing. That way, if you do get some tire sling as you roll down the road, you just didn't ruin your day. As far as some pro tips for you guys, again, best practices when it comes to detailing always says, always test in a non-obvious area. So if you are working on a new car or a new substrate, you always test before applying all over the place. Number two, matte tire conditioner, safe for all finishes. So whether it's a gloss car, a matte car, or it's a combination, if you got matte decals or you got matte wheels or something like that, you're always gonna defer to the matte tire conditioner, which is, again, is perfectly safe for both gloss, satin, or matte finishes. However, tire conditioner is only used on cars that are 100% gloss. Okay, so that wraps up our little discussion on the tire conditioner family here at Dr. Beasley's. Of course, you can find product links right down below. If you have any questions, feel free to type them in the comment section. And lastly, people, I do want to remind you, please help me out. If you are driving in the left lane and you are not passing anyone, it is time to move over to the right, because remember, it is left lane for passing, middle lane for cruising, and right lane for entering and exiting the expressway. Thank you so much, everybody. Drive safely.